अथ दशमोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यत्तेयं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया। The Supreme Personality of a Godhead said, "Listen again, O mighty armed Arjuna. Because you are my dear friend, for your benefit I shall speak to you further, giving knowledge that is better than what I have already explained. न मे विदुःसुरगणाः प्रभवन्नमाश्रयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च वर्वशः। Neither the hosts of demigods nor the great sages know my origin or opulence, for in every respect I am the source of demigods and sages. Yo mamajamanaadincha vekti lokamaheshwaram asammudaha samarteshu sarvapapai pramuchyate. He who knows me as the unborn, as the beginningless, as the supreme Lord of all the worlds, he only, undeluded among men, is free from all sins. Buddhir jnanam sammoha kshama satyam damashamaha sukham dukkham bhavo bhavo bhayancha bhayamevacha. Ahimsa samata tushtis tapodanam yasho yashaha bhavanti bhava bhutanam matta eva prithagvidaha. Intelligence, knowledge, freedom from doubt and delusion, forgiveness, truthfulness, control of senses, control of mind, happiness and distress, birth, death, fear, fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, satisfaction, austerity, charity, fame and infamy, all these various qualities of living beings are created by me alone. Maharshaya sapta purve chatvaro manavastata madbhava manasa jata esham loka ima prajaha. The 7 great sages, and before them the 4 other great sages, and the Manus, progenitors of mankind, come from me, born from my mind, and all the living beings populating the various planets descend from them. Etam vibhutim yogancha mamayo vetti tattvataha so vikalpena yogena yujyate natra samshayaha. One who is factually convinced of this opulence and mystic power of mine engages in unalloyed devotional service. Of this there is no doubt. Aham sarvasya prabho mattha sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Macchitta madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam katayantascha mam nityam tushyanti charamanchita. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजं तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्तो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. To show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan purusham shashvatam divyam adidevam vibhum. आहुस्त्वां ऋषया सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे. Arjuna said, "You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth. You are the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. All the great sages such as Narada, Ashista, Devala and Vyasa confirm this truth about you and know you yourself as declaring it to me." Sarvametadrutam manye yanmam vadasi Keshava nahi te bhagavan vyaktim vidurdevanadanava. O Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither the demigods nor the demons, O Lord, can understand your personality. Swayamevatmana atmanam vetatvam purushottama bhuta bhavana bhutesha deva deva jagatpate. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own internal potency, O Supreme Person, origin of all, Lord of all beings, gods of gods, Lord of the universe. Vaktumarhasya sheshena divya hatma vibhutayah yabhir vibhutibhir lokan imam stvamyapyathishtasi. Please tell me in detail of your divine opulences by which you pervade all these worlds. Katham vidyamaham yogims tvam sada parichintayan keshu keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavanmaya. O Krishna, O Supreme Mystic, how shall I constantly think of you, and how shall I know you? In what various forms are you to be remembered, O Supreme Personality of Godhead? Vistarenatmano yogam vibhutincha janardhana bhuya kataya triptirhi shrunvato nasti memartam. O Janardhana, again please describe in detail the mystic power of your opulences. I am never satiated in hearing about you, for more I hear, the more I want to taste the nectar of your words. श्रीभगवानुवाच हन्तते कथयिष्यामि दिव्यात्मविभूतयः प्राध्यान्यतः कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे. The Supreme Personality of a Godhead said, "Yes, I will tell you of my splendorous manifestations, but only of those which are prominent. O Arjuna, for my opulence is limitless. Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarvabhutashayastitah Ahamadischa Madhyanchaha Bhutanamanta evacha." I am the super soul, O Arjuna, seated in the hearts of all living entities. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all beings. Adityanamaham Vishnur Jyotisham Raviramshuman Marichir Marutam Asmi Nakshatranam Aham Shashi. Of the Adityas I am Vishnu. Of lights I am the radiant sun. Of the Maruts I am Marichi. And among the stars I am the moon. Vedanam Samavedosmi Devanamasmi Vasava Indriyanam Manaschasmi Bhutanamasmi Chetana. Of the Vedas I am the Samaveda. Of the demigods I am Indra, the king of heavens. Of the senses I am the mind, and in living beings I am the living force, the consciousness. Rudranam Shankarashchasmi Vittesho Yaksharakshasam Vasunam Pavakaschasmi Meru Shikarinamaham. Of all the Rudras I am Lord Shiva. Of the Yakshas and Rakshasas I am Lord of wealth, Kuvera. Of the Vasus I am fire or Agni. And of mountains I am Meru. Purudasam cha mukhyam mam vidhi partha bruhaspatim senani namaham skandaha sarasamasmi sagaraha. Of priests, O Arjuna, know me to be the chief, Brahaspati. Of generals I am Kartikeya, and of bodies of water I am the ocean. Mahashrinam Bhrugur Aham Giramasmaikamaksharam Yajnanam Japayagnosmi Sthavaranam Himalayaha. Of the great sages I am Bhrigu. Of vibrations I am the transcendental Om. Of sacrifices I am the chanting of the holy name Japa, and of immovable things I am the Himalayas. Asattva sarva vrikshanam devarshīnām ca naradaha gandharvānām citrarataha siddhānām kapilo munihi. Of all the trees I am the banyan tree, and of the sages among the demigods I am Narada. Of the Gandharvas I am Chitraratha, and among perfect beings I am sage Kapila. Uchchai Shravasamashvanam Viddhimam Rutodbhavam Airavatan Gajendranam Naranam Chanaradhipam. Of horses know me to be Uchchaishrava, produced during the churning of the ocean for nectar. Of lordly elephants I am Airavata, and among men I am the monarch. Ayudhanamaham vajram, dino namasmi kamadhuk, Prajanaschasmi kandarpaha, sarpanamasmi vasuki. Of weapons I am the thunderbolt. Among cows I am Surabhi. Of course, for procreation I am Kandrapa, the god of love, and of serpents I am Vasuki. Anantaschasmi naganam varuno yadasamaham piturnamaryamachasmi yamassamyamatamaham. Of the many-headed Nagas I am Ananta, and among the aquatics I am the demigod Varunu. Of departed ancestors I am Aryama, and among the dispensers of law I am Yama, the lord of death. Praladaschasmi detyanam kalakalayatamaham mriganancha mrigendroham vainateyascha pakshinam. Among the Daitya demons I am the devoted Prahallada. Among subdueders I am Time. Among beasts I am the lion. And among birds I am Garuda. Pavana pavatamasmi Ramashastra bhruthamaham Jashanamakarashchasmi Shrotasamasmi Janavi. Of purifiers I am the wind. Of the wielders of weapons I am Rama. Of fishes I am the shark, and of the flowing rivers I am the Ganges. Sarganamadhir antascha madhyam chaivam arjuna adhyatma vidya vidyanam vadha pravadatamaham. Of all creations, I am the beginning and the end and also the middle. O Arjuna, of all sciences, I am the spiritual science of the self, and among logicians, I am the conclusive truth. Aksharanam akarosmi dvandha swamasi kasyacha ahamevakshaya kalo dataham vishvato mukaha. Of letters I am the letter A, and among compound words I am the dual compound. I am also inexhaustible time, and of creators I am Brahma. Mrityu sarvaharashchaham udbhavascha bhavishyatam kirti shri vakshanarinam smitir medha dhritikshama. I am all devouring death, and I am the generating principle of all that is yet to be. Among women I am fame, fortune, fine, speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, and patience. Bruhatsa matata samnam Gayatri chandasamaham Masanam marga shri shoham Rutunam kusumakaraha. Of the hymns in the Samaveda, I am the Brihat Sama. Of the poetry, I am Gayatri. Of months, I am Margashira, namely November and December. And of seasons, I am flower-bearing spring. Dyutam chalayatam tejasvinamaham jayosmi vevasayosmi sattvam sattvatamaham. I am also the gambling of cheats, and of the splendid I am the splendor. I am victory, I am adventure, and I am the strength of the strong. Vrishninam vasudevosmi Pandavanam dhananjaya Muninamapyaham vyasaha Kavinam vushana kavihi. Of the descendants of Vrishni, I am Vasudeva, and of the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Of the sages, I am Vyasa, and among great thinkers, I am Ushana. Dando damayatam nitirasmi jigishatam maunam chaivasmi ghukyanam jnanam jnanavatamaham. Among all means of suppressing lawlessness, I am punishment. And of those who seek victory, I am morality. Of secret things, I am silence. And of the wise, I am the wisdom. Yacchapi sarva bhutanam bijam tadaham arjuna natadasti vina yatsyan maya bhutam characharam. Furthermore, O Arjuna, I am generating the seeds of all existences. There is no being, moving or non-moving, that can exist without me. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa etatuddeshata prokto vibhuter vistaro maya. O mighty conqueror of enemies, there is no end to my divine manifestations. What I have spoken to you is but a mere indication of my infinite opulences. Yadyad vibhuti matsattvam srimadurjitameva va tattadeva gacchhatvam manatejo sasambhavam. Know that all opulent, beautiful and glorious creations spring from but a spark of my splendor. Athava bhavunaitena kim jnatena tavarjuna Vishtabhyahamidam krishnam ekamshena stito jagat. But what need is there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe. Om Tat Sadidi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Vibhuti Yogo Nama Dashamodhyaya.